Yang di-Pertuan Agong Al-Sultan Abdullah Ri'ayatuddin Al-Mustafa Billah Shah has expressed his sympathy to flood victims, particularly in Pahang, Terengganu, Kelantan, Johor, Perak and Selangor. In a statement issued by Istana Negara, Sultan Abdullah hoped that the victims would remain strong in facing the disaster that befell them. His Majesty also called on the relevant authorities, especially the National Disaster Management Agency, to continue helping victims in flood-hit states. With the rising number of COVID-19 cases, Sultan Abdullah reminded all evacuees and workers at the centres to practice the new norm and comply with the standard operating procedure to curb the spread of the disease. Sultan Abdullah had driven from Istana Negara to the relief centre in a convoy that waded through the floodwater, which still covered the stretch at kilometre 113 of the East Coast Expressway 1. In Maran, His Majesty paid a visit to flood victims at the relief centre, accompanied by Raja Permaisuri Agong Tunku Azizah Aminah Maimunah Iskandaria and Tengku Panglima Muda Tengku Ahmad Ismail Muazzam Shah. Present to greet them were Regent of Pahang Tengku Hassanal Ibrahim Alam Shah and Pahang Menteri Besar Datuk Seri Wan Rosdi Wan Ismail. In his speech, the king called on the people to pray for the floods to quickly subside and not claim any other victims and cause more damage to private and public properties. Apart from that, Sultan Abdullah expressed his appreciation and gratitude to all frontline personnel who have been working hard in managing the disaster. His Majesty also spent some time with the evacuees in other areas in Maran and handed over some contributions to them. As of Tuesday afternoon, a total of 252 relief centres have been opened in Pahang to accommodate more than 18,000 victims from over 4,800 families.